Hi everyone, welcome back. Today, we're taking a one-day journey from Shanghai to Suzhou, a city celebrated as the Venice of the East. In just 30 minutes by high-speed train, you can leave the modern skyscrapers of Shanghai behind and enter a world of stone bridges, willow trees, elegant gardens, and tranquil canals. With your way holiday, we'll show you how to not just see Suzhou, but truly travel like a local. The train ride is short but transformative. As Shanghai skyline disappears, you'll notice rivers lined with bamboo, villages with whitewashed walls, and farmers tending their fields. This journey sets the tone. Suzhou is not about rushing, but about embracing the rhythm of Jiangnan life. Our first stop is the humble administrator's garden, Suzhou's largest and most iconic classical garden. Wander among winding corridors, lotus-filled ponds, and poetic pavilions that once inspired scholars and artists. To truly travel like a local, we immerse ourselves in the daily life of the garden. Join locals practicing Tai Chi on the stone paths, watch painters sketch the scenery with water brushes, or sit at a small pavilion sipping tea while elderly residents quietly share stories. This is more than sightseeing, it's feeling the calm rhythm of life that Suzhou's gardens offer. Next, we head to Shantang Street, a living riverside street full of history. Here, we explore alleys lined with teahouses, noodle shops, and boutique craft stores. Travel like a local by stepping into a small tea house to sip jasmine tea and watch retirees play cards or perform Pingtan storytelling. Sample street foods like sesame cakes or fresh dumplings directly from local vendors. Along the canal, notice how residents hang laundry, cycle to work, and greet each other, a living portrait of Suzhou daily life. Our walk continues along Pingjiang Road, a quieter historic lane. Small bookshops, silk embroidery studios, and cafés hide in ancient residences. Here, you can join a hands-on experience, try basic silk embroidery under a local artisan's guidance, or learn a few phrases of traditional Suzhou Pingtan singing from a performer. Pause at a small cafe for jasmine tea and chat with shopkeepers about their crafts. Traveling like a local is about engaging your senses, learning traditions, and connecting with people. Lunch with your way holiday is an experience itself. Choose refined dining for Suzhou classics like sweet and sour mandarin fish, or explore hidden fly restaurants known for authentic, home-style flavors. Our guides also personalize meals based on your preferences: vegetarian, halal, or Indian cuisine. You can even participate in cooking small dishes with local chefs, learning how ingredients are sourced from nearby farms. Eating like a local means savoring food prepared with care and connecting with the people who grow it. In the afternoon, we venture to Tongli Water Town. Life here flows with the canals. Join a local family at the wet market to pick fresh vegetables, or try a hands-on dumpling making session in a courtyard home. Observe elders playing chess by the canal, children cycling along cobblestone paths, and neighbors chatting in the alleys. Take a small boat with a local boatman who shares stories of the town's history. Traveling like a local here means participating in these authentic moments, not just observing from the sidelines. If time allows, explore the Master of Net's garden and listen to live traditional music, or visit Tiger Hill with its leaning pagoda and bonsai gardens. Zhouzhuang Water Town offers canals alive with folk performances and small craft markets. Each stop allows interaction with locals, from artisans to shopkeepers, giving a deeper sense of Suzhou life. As evening falls, take a canal boat ride. Lanterns cast golden reflections, and the soft notes of kunku opera drift through the night. Join locals feeding koi or lighting floating lanterns for good luck. Traveling like a local means immersing yourself in these small, poetic rituals, connecting with both place and people. By night, we return to Shanghai. A single day may be short, but experiencing Suzhou's gardens, streets, canals, and food through local life gives a rich, immersive understanding of the city. With your way holiday, you don't just visit Suzhou, you truly travel like a local. Thank you for joining us on this immersive Suzhou journey. If you enjoyed exploring the city like a local, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insider tips, hidden gems, and authentic travel experiences across China. Hit the like button, share this video with friends, and turn on notifications so you never miss a chance to travel like a local with your way holiday.